Hey guys, so today we are trying wheatgrass. We are planting it and there is two ways that I was checking online. So I'm going to try both of them and see which one is better and faster too. So first way is just putting the seeds in water and just leave them like one entire day, and tomorrow we will have to drain this water. And now we are just doing this on the soil. Just put them over. Now just apply a little bit of soil on top. The soil has to be wet too. When you're ready, just cover it with paper towel and let it just grow. It's supposed that after 4 or 5 days they start growing. And then this one, again, you can leave it for 12 or 24 hours and still you have to cover them too. So let's see what happened later. After 12 hours, so what we're going to do is basically just remove the water. So this is the second day, and once again just remove the water, clean it up a little bit, and now you can see that they are sprouting a little bit, just a little tip. So now just place the seeds in a paper towel and just wrap it out, put it in the container, cover it with plastic so this will keep the heat, so that would let them grow faster too. So now this is day 2 on the soil. Still I don't see anything coming out, so let's just wait a little bit more. Now as you can see, this is growing finally, so this will be the 3rd day. And let's keep going. The ones that I put on soil, they just grow so much, which is amazing. And then you can see the ones that I put on water. I don't know if I'm doing it totally right, or I need more water, or what the heck is happening. This is a little bit wet, so they still have moisture under, but as you can see, they are just growing. So if you don't have patience, just put them on soil, because once again I just planted and I leave it there. I didn't take care at all, and now it's just beautiful and gorgeous. And the ones that I put on water, I had to change, as you can see on the video, I had to change the water a couple of times, and like a little longer process. So I don't know, let's see when they are going to grow. And as you can see, the grass that I put on soil is just beautiful, amazing, long, super strong. And then the one that I put on water is just recently germinating a little bit, which is really annoying because all the care that you have to have for making it grow. So basically I'm going to put soil on top of these ones because they are not looking too great. And even with water, it's supposed that you have to be really careful when you plant them, because all the time you have to be worried about that they don't get any type of fungus or things like that. So truly the best solution for me, I believe, is just putting it in regular soil. And that's it.